The latest C-Series systems from ExactVision provide ready-to-go live monitoring stations for your ExactVision users without the need to design your own systems or check specifications to display multiple video streams. These systems are built to achieve specific decoding and frame rates to meet the needs of video security users. When unpacking your new C-Series workstation, you will find the following items included: a box containing the C-Series unit, a mouse and DisplayPort to HDMI adapter, keyboard, and an insert which includes a QR code to the online Quick Start Guide. Within the system box is the C-Series system, a power cable and power supply block, Wi-Fi antenna, as well as a VESA mount adapter enabling the mounting of the unit behind display monitors, and system documentation. The C-Series is available in two models: the 16S, available with Ubuntu Linux, and 32S, offered with either Ubuntu Linux or Windows, catering to different customer requirements. The C-Series systems are monitoring stations for live viewing and search, while your ExactVision server, G, Q, A, or X series, record and store your video. The 16S systems provide 8 GB of RAM, a 256 GB SSD, and a Celeron processor. 32S systems provide 16 GB of RAM, a 256 GB SSD with an Intel i5 processor, and an option to add a 1 TB SSD to store files such as exported video. The 16S is rated to display up to 480 frames per second on a single monitor, while the 32S can display up to 960 total frames per second on Linux or 480 on Windows with 2 monitors connected. The front of each system provides 2 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB-C port, a 3.5mm microphone input, and a 3.5mm line out. The use of these ports aids in accommodating accessories for joystick PTZ controls or two-way audio. On the rear of each unit, you will find 2 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB 2.0 port, 2 DisplayPort interfaces, 1 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet interface, 1 1 gigabit Ethernet interface, and an SMA connector for the included Wi-Fi antenna. Note, depending on the deployment site's wireless throughput, you may experience lower performance if relying on Wi-Fi rather than a hardwired network connection for live viewing. Set up your C-Series system for use by connecting the power block. Then connect the power cord to the block, and plug the power cord into the wall outlet. Attach the keyboard and mouse to the appropriate USB ports. If opting to use the VESA mount, begin by placing the system upside down on a flat surface. Insert the 2 included 12mm screws into the provided screw holes on the bottom of the system, but do not over-tighten. If there are screw hole covers on the back of your VESA-compatible display monitor, remove these prior to attempting to attach the plate. Orient the VESA mounting plate so that the arrow points upward. Align the VESA mounting plate with the hole patterns on the rear of the display monitor, either 75 by 75 or 100 by 100 millimeters. Use the included M4 screws to attach the plate to the display. Again, being sure not to over-tighten, which may damage the display. Pull the metal locking tab on the VESA mounting plate outwards. Insert the screws you attached to the bottom of the system into the mounting holes on the plate before pressing downwards to secure it. Lastly, push the metal locking tab inwards until it snaps into place. When prompted during Operation System Setup, provide admin account credentials. The steps vary based on whether the system is Windows or Ubuntu Linux. Each C-Series system comes with the ExactVision client software pre-installed. Run the ExactVision client software, Select the configuration cogwheel icon in the upper left of the window, then navigate to the Add Systems page. If you already know the hostname or IP address of the Xactvision NVR on your network, press the New button and enter this into the hostname IP address field. The default port is 22609. Choose your login method and enter your user credentials before pressing Apply to connect. Alternatively, you may scan the local network to attempt discovery of Xactvision NVRs on the network. Then select any systems you wish to add before entering your credentials to connect. Review the Xactvision Client User Manual or our many user training videos on operating the client software.